Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with Shop E-Bikes. I'm here today with Magnum's Metro S. This electric bike is built for road riding, commuting, recreational riding, gravel trails, and its construction is designed to fit any type of rider. With its nice step-over frame, anybody can ride this bike. Two of my favorite features about the Metro S is its weight. This thing is 55 pounds. And it's also very well priced. The Metro S sits at $18.99, and if you shop through Shop E-Bikes, you get free shipping. So this thing comes with a 48 volt 500 watt power system. This comes with a 500 watt Bafang motor in the back. It's paired with the Shimano Acera 7-speed gear system. The Metro sits on these 26-inch brown wheels with the reflective strip. These are 2.4 inches wide. You also have these high quality mechanical disc brakes. At the heart of the Metro is this 48 volt battery. You can fully charge this guy up from nothing in about 6.5 hours. And it's got an estimated minimum and maximum range of 30 to 60 miles. This is a 16 watt hour battery. And you do have a USB port in case you wanted to plug in additional accessories like a speaker. This comes with a Sully Royal Brown seat. It's very comfortable. This is the freeway seat. Very squishy, but I like that this matches all the accents on the bike. It matches both tires, and it also matches your handlebars. At the center of your cockpit, you're gonna notice your Magnum screen. This has 6 different pedal assist modes. You can locate those right here. You also have a trip monitor. You can also see the time and take track of your time. You can see your battery life and exactly how much power you're taking from the battery. And then right here is gonna be your miles per hour. To the right of your monitor, you're gonna find your Shimano gear select. This is a Revo Shift 7-speed, and I really like the way that this is designed. It just feels really good in the hand. Now on the left side, you're gonna find the buttons for your pedal assist select, and then this is going to be your throttle. And the throttle is actually just gonna be a thumb throttle. So I have yet to see one of these Magnum bikes that has the throttle on the left thumb. I'm excited to see how much of a difference this is. But underneath your throttle is your horn. You do have a nice cargo rack on the back. It does come with a bungee system, and this thing can hold up to 55 pounds. You have an integrated tail light. Anytime you hit your brakes, it will illuminate. You also have an integrated front headlight. This is a very powerful light. It's not intended to just alert people. This is intended to actually give you vision, which doesn't really happen in most bikes. The Metro sits on this heavy-duty dual kickstand. I mean, this thing's very solid. On the left side of the fork, you have an adjustable preload. This is where you can adjust it for different rider weights. And on the right side, you have a lockout switch. So if you pull your lockout switch all the way to the right, it's gonna lock up your fork, which is gonna be great for you on concrete riding, anything without bumps. But if you do have bumps, you just move your lockout switch all the way to the left, and then you can get that bounce. Now on to the part that I'm super excited about. Let's take this thing on a test ride. Let's play with all the pedal assist levels, and let's just see how awesome this thing really is. These bikes can go fast, so make sure you put on a helmet. Almost made it. All right, so far it feels good. Feels good to sit on, and we're off. Woo! First thing you want to do is you're gonna want to power it on. The button is right here at the bottom of your pedal assist controls. Just hold the button, and you'll see your screen illuminate. So let's just hop on. All right, so right now we are in pedal assist level 1. When you are in pedal assist level 1, you are doing all the work. So right now I can fully feel this bike as it's not performing electrically, and it's already a really great bike. I like how nimble and light it is, and it just feels very good. Now let's move this up into pedal assist eco. All right, so it's doing a little bit of the work. All right, let's put this into pedal assist 2. which is Tour. All right, there we go. Now let's put this into pedal assist 3, which is Sport. And you can really feel the motor kick in once you get into Sport. Oh, it's beautiful out. Now we're gonna move it up into Tour. I'm gonna adjust my gear so I can catch up with the speed. There we go. So we're easily going 17 miles per hour. I barely had to do anything. So now we're gonna boost this up to Boost. And now we are really cooking. We're going 21 miles per hour and uphill, and I'm not even doing much. I am pedaling, but for the most part, I'm just simply pedaling. And there's a secret mode where if you go up one more, you get a flashing Boost logo. And now we're on Boost Plus, and we are flying. I mean, I'm barely pedaling and I'm going about 23 miles per hour. Now let's see how these brakes work. A little squeaky because they're brand new, but those are very responsive. So in pedal assist level 1, as you can see, if you touch the throttle, nothing happens. You have to get in pedal assist level 1, which is Eco. And now let's do a full throttle test. Let's just see how fast we can get just with the thumb. So we very quickly made it up to 20 miles per hour on thumb throttle alone. You want this bike. You should get this bike. And if you do, go to shopebikes.com and get yourself some free shipping. If you can't pull the trigger yet, just check back next week for some more electric bike content. If you have any questions, leave me a message on the YouTube page or send us an email at shopebikes.com, and just have a great day. Bye.